Hello, my name is Sholeh Jahanfard. I'm the co-founder and president at Diagnostics. In my role, I am responsible for day-to-day operation. I'm also accountable to make sure the company is compliant with all the regulatory requirements, not only for products, but also for clinical trials. One of my inspirations is Maryam Mirzakhani, a brilliant Persian mathematician. She was the first woman who ever received the Fields Medal. Despite her difficult life in Iran and against all odds, she came here and she prevailed. To me, she's not only relatable, but she's also inspirational. My advice to women who want to start a company in a biotech space is to trust yourself, to believe in your ideas and move on. Remember, mistakes are your biggest teachers. Your passion will carry you through. Happy International Women's Day.